And then agenda Friday in Tina May and Sam. Tradition and Sessa. And I boy Europa League na AEK Athens. And the Ajax and their boy. Ajax match no boy, you know. Nipa no captain Ajax, Bobo Kuno, and Ra. If any Jura Hatu. Now, Jura Hatu or a 17-year-old boy.
Just 17.
And our captain a team with great tradition. Like that. Now, Enyamwa. Now look. Matthijs de Ligt, captain Ajax. No, 18 years, 347 days. Rafael van der Vaart, a captain Ajax. No, 20 years, 182 days. John Heitinga, a captain Ajax. No, 21 years, 93 days. The great Marco van Basten, or captain Ajax. No, 21 years, 321 days. Jorel Hatu, the youngest captain for Ajax in European football.
17 years.
17 years.
282 days.
On my captain team. A tradition. Team Bia near dia. Ya didn't win on.
Okay.
Ajax, they didn't win on. A quenya on the man cross on Bobo. Means true, I say, Accra, we know, at this age, on the third youngest debutant for Ajax in the Dutch league. Behind Gravenberch and Seedorf.
Okay.
So, Jurahato Nankasano, ya wono Rotterdam, the second city. Now, ne mami free Curaçao, and ne papa free Capo Verde, and I Quebec. Inti,
Abi Brimha.
Oh, ye manfra, it is a Ofriafria. Nka Holland, you tuntuma. The earliest inclination is a way or your Suriname. But when you Suriname, how to a captain Holland under 16, under 17, under 19, or under 21. Now, normally Gibraltar, elbow. European qualifiers for the 2024 European Championship. Obey Van Dijk film, that was his first game. And it is significant because Van Dijk pay on pay. He will succeed him. Eventually, this boy will take over the man.
But microphone mu faswa almost say normal. Aden yensu bi.
There be in this car.
Say see an enchechemu bia nsin we yo. Van Dijk, almighty Van Dijk. See just 17-year-old boy. A Bible replace no. Ono no more tete no for future. Onu say breye ninka so. Van Dijk be fidi no aba. But ade yenye bi o.
Yeah, 70 dey enya butre. National team asem ka okroma na eden. Eso ko bisa say when abo matches do that e goals. When I share goals do amaga na kra na ebre. Yeah, 7 na reho. It's kana yin ntia. And now Brighton eshe Marseille it may qualify still in that group. Now who would have thought say Brighton better be a group involving teams with 5 Champions League trophies. So group now Brighton won, Ajax won, Marseille won, AEK Athens won. Champions League air 5. And on their good tables. And on more boss are born. And therefore, it's not easy.
Y'all Pedro 88th minute.
And Osher go no, you could see on the fans no, on Montemu tracker, send an Mexico. He just jumped into the supporters. Look, yeah, mom. Brighton team, the PC you know, Omombo Europe da. This is their first time entering there. Omatopio group. Omebo round of 16. Yes, CDO. So what it means is that Omebo first match now way in the round of 16.
Okay.
In a group involving Ajax and Marseille, would have given them a dog chance. Especially some match right here. Mimu Chancellor Mbemba. And then Aubameyang. Ewe nimu. Kwaya omode Brighton fun for some ball crossbar and a Jonathan Klaus. But then it is what it is in football, man. Brighton are special. And then I say Bobo ni we you know. Michael Owen. And they sat in the tweet nearby say what he saw was so good. Indeed, it was that good. Mira, that was a special night. Very still stuff for Brighton. And a pleasure to be here to witness it. You'd have to be there. First half, now Bobo on 15 minutes, not Van Hecke. Center back, no. Abidjan number 8 or about through pass.
Wow.
Look, they are coach now coach you on into a formidable unit. And it's beautiful. Boya and Siso, no. Estupinian, no. Players no one name prepare. But no problem. Just carry on, do your job.
Player for Barcelona by Omulono
and super artists but they are playing their game. They are enjoying their game. And if most of the team sir, now come and say they understand the profile. Brighton, Lusu, Alexis McAllister. Brighton Elusu Moises Caicedo. On midfield no 2 already made members. Yeah, you know film. We can't forget Kukureya, Benjamin White. Brighton not ton players, not ton, but still they did the job.
As I come say season be an best player BF.
So cool. But you see, because the model is so nice, and it's yielding results for them. And then agenda no is Mr. Patrick at Mr. Patrick QPATRIQ or Twitter no so a friend of Tinkran. Now Tinkran na control ni BBC and Yakuhumbi. I'll say Santiago Jimenez possesses powerful shooting and dribbling ability. We are not the brink as also or Tinkran Chelsea. Looks like a proper gunman. Still, or Tinkran Gusu Kasafo will be player. Player can was a friend of Santiago Jimenez or a Mexican striker or PSG and Dovin. Or Tinkran was now I can many are coming out so more and so I drink money. Krabo Mofa Lukaku starts in into Somami. I'm saying you know who near Koso Ghana. Lakakum. Lakabum. Mpacho Lakakum. Washe 12 goals, 1 assist this season. Afen yedru half. Lakakum ni oye no. Aubameyang 12 goals, 6 assists. Pulisic 6 goals, 3 assists. Ziyech 4 goals, 2 assists.
Common denominator.
Chelsea. Hey, baby a Lukaku akọ woni wiase bia no. Oma numbers. Black sheep no woman and wine. Chelsea first, Chelsea second. Still, I knew it. I think I didn't know person okofa Santiago Jimenez. I didn't know about Sam Jim. Timba kwa the striker more. No Marcelo. And then here, Ichi Aubameyang starts. Aubameyang a gunman. Saint-Etienne no a gunman. Dortmund no a gunman. Arsenal no a gunman. Even Barcelona from more numbers. And here now call you good and say Chelsea. Intini, but in crying so. We Mexico for now to and Crassi and Cancho.
To Chelsea, they almost say strikers.
There's almost say strikers, but it's become a graveyard
for strikers.
It's become a graveyard because
like
Oba won't me, but
in recent times, so you see Chelsea striker be more numbers are Didier Drogba. Menesha said Didier Drogba, he scored up to 200 goals for Chelsea.
No.
We had a number of years, oh boy. Premier League, 104 goals. From 2004, 2005. To saw Koya Samba any 104. So Chima, averagely, he was not even averaging 20 goals per season in the Premier League. I think I didn't know. Opesa only basket ni ichi. Moko be player. Namosen. Nesremo. Mama Santiago Jimenez and you know me. Nemum Lakakum die. Or any juma.
Me da say, I know, Collins, Atta, Poku'S.